everyone, this is Rakesh. I'm back after 6 months of my ACL surgery, and there is no problem after that. So today I'm here for a checkup with Dr. Manoj Khemani, and I am able to walk freely. There is no pain as such, and even I am able to go for a morning walk for 1 hour, and slowly and steadily I am getting my strength back. So there is no bulking or any pain in my knees. So go for I would say like he's the best doctor in Kolkata for any kind of surgery, particularly ACL or ligament surgery. And the team, like, he has overall a good team here. Like, they are professionals, they will take care of you, and don't worry, you are in safe hands. Thank you. What else? Walk. Okay. Yeah, I can walk now freely. See, all leg raises. So all these things I can do. So there's no pain at all. Thank you.